What's up YouTube? Welcome back to Nate's Tech and Talk, here with Dad.
Hey, how you going YouTube?
This morning we met up with Chris from All Terrain, and what do we do, Ange? What do we drop off?
Well, we dropped off the GWM Cannon Ute to get a few mods to it. The rear shutter, a tyre rack and a digital rear camera.
Are you going to get the Starlink as well, the base for it?
Yep, we're also getting the Starlink casing on top and getting that wired up as well. Also an Anderson plug for the caravan at the back. So All Terrain's doing all that. One of the other products is from Savage as well. Yeah.
She's going to look a little bit different, eh?
Yeah, no, she's going to look really good, I reckon.
It's going to be all ready for a caravan.
No, it's going to look really good. So
should be good.
Chris from All Terrain's been fantastic. We met him down there this morning, so we're going there now and peak hour traffic down the Brayside down there. He's got a good team. He's done all this pretty much in one day, which is pretty good.
Yeah. And I mean, we're travelling about an hour and a half, but we know how good Chris is, and so we thought we might as well travel in order to get some good service on some good accessories. So let's go pick it up and see how everything's gone. But very quick as well to do it in a day. So that's awesome.
Yeah, no, really good.
Working hard, Chris, or hardly working? Which one?
Hardly working. I'm actually checking to see how this car's going. we finished it, and then while saying we just need to bring it up because sometimes they need adjustment.
Yeah.
So it clears this easy and opens and closes.
Yeah, perfecting it, eh?
Well, sometimes it just works, and sometimes it's not amazing.
All right, Chris is all done doing some accessories for Dad's Cannon. So let's take a look at what you've done, Chris.
Now guys, so I'm here with Andrew. You know Andrew off Nate's channel, which we're on right now. I'm used to filming on my own channel, guys, so it's a bit weird actually. So look, he's brought in his GWM Cannon Alpha Phev. I actually trialled one of these as a test drive for a week, amazing car. And look, right now we've been fitting stuff for Savage. He sent an order down through Savage to get a roller. So he's got one of Savage's awesome electric rollers. He's got a tyre carrier, so GWM side tyre design concept has been fixed with this amazing thing. And the really good thing about this guy is this thing here is adjustable. So you can come forwards and you can come backwards. So it doesn't matter your tyre size, you're going to get it on there. It's got nice storage, check that out. You can chuck all your...
That's awesome, that. Both sides as well.
Yeah, both sides, and they're simple. It's not like complicated. You also can put a padlock or something through it if you want to lock it. So if you want some protection.
It also comes with these anchor points, or
I don't know what they're rated to, but you can chuck something
in strap or something.
If you're going to do like a big lap or something and you want to chuck a third spare, like a cartridge, you can chuck it on top of that and strap it down again.
Yeah, awesome.
You know?
Yeah. And then that roller shutter, so and you can do it on your phone
or on the remote, but I'll do it on the app.
Yep, and then you go like that. Yep. And then that's open in there as well. So you can do it.
Inside. Check out the light.
I can put the light on. There we go.
Oh wow! Yeah.
You know, so if you chuck your kid that's been naughty in there, you know, get it in there, guys.
So you can do that via the remote, via the app, and then there's a button there as well that you can press to use. Yeah, nice. Yeah. So light inside as well.
Yep.
Perfect. All right.
There we go.
And what else did we do? So did Anderson plug right?
We done an Anderson plug down below for the caravan.
Yeah, so this one's pretty easy, guys. You get a standard 7-pin from GWM. We can run a 50 amp Anderson. We can use your factory bracket system and just bolt it on the top. Plenty of room to get your connection in and still plug your trailer in. Necessary thing if you're a tourer or something like that.
Okay.
Even doubles is like a fridge thing. So if you bring your fridge out here at camp, you can still plug your fridge in.
And reverse camera as well, right?
Reverse camera,
This so fancy. Go around the front.
So we'll switch that on. There we go. And the camera should come on.
Yep, look at that. And you can turn it off. I think there's a switch here. Again,
So
oh,
you
there
can
we
adjust
go.
it. Yep.
Yeah,
And
so
then-
that's off. That's on.
And you
yeah.
can adjust it up and down. There we go.
Yeah, wow.
The adjustment's
Mate,
really
yeah.
cool. Like, we don't even get that in the Denza.
Yeah.
In the Denza Leopard luxury range Denza, we
Yep.
can't adjust up and down. So that's
Better than OEM, that stuff.
I
That's
know.
awesome.
And yeah, I actually, it's so weird because if you, does it still have like a reflective surface when it's off? Oh, it does.
Yeah.
Yeah, but if you actually look out the rear window on this thing and then you turn that on, you see so much more.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what I found.
yeah,
It's
you
so
do.
weird. It's
Yeah.
because of the camera position being
Yeah.
kind of further back.
Yeah.
But yeah, no, that's what we got done today, and pretty big day because that's one of Byron's new tyre carriers, basically.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
it's basically it improves the look of your Cannon just substantially.
Yeah,
The sound system
yeah.
in this is actually pretty good too. I keep forgetting how good.
Yeah. No, it does look very more rugged, doesn't it? So, yeah, I reckon it makes the back look a bit more beefy and nice. I reckon so. But you're not much of an off-roader, are you? So
No. Be caravanning. But who
Yeah.
knows? Who knows where we end up?
We were caravanning and somehow in the video, and now we're off-roading, and I don't know why.
Yeah.
So who knows where we'll end up?
Nah, but look, thank you very much, Chris, for doing all these accessories.
Thanks, Bruce. And
No,
Yeah, and
no worries. I can't forget the installer, guys.
he did most of the work, right?
Yeah. I'm all about sales. He's all about making sure the install's good.
Ripper of a job.
Yeah,
we would
yeah.
normally come over and clean your car, but we just ran out of time today. So.
No,
All
that's
good.
all right.
We'd
That's all
even
right.
plug them in normally. That's what our plug-in charge is for. We even charge your cars up here. So,
Yeah. Oh,
yeah,
that's great service.
We do all sorts of stuff here, you know. So.
Yeah.
But no, I appreciate you bringing it down to us, guys, and getting it done here. So.
Yeah, awesome. And how do people use your services? Plug yourself.
Look, we're actually an off-road installer basically. We do a lot of Starlink, so off-grid communication, 12-volt stuff, so like on the Cannon or your BYD Sharp 6. But we aren't just restricted to these cars, we do all sorts of cars. Our
Yeah.
origin actually was non-Chinese vehicles at the start, and we've just migrated to this because that's what the market is. So many people out there are like, I've been trying to get like a brake controller on my car, but no one wants to touch a Sharp.
Yeah.
So, you know, they drive down here from wherever it is, be it Sydney or Adelaide, and we get it done, and they drive home, and away they go. So,
Yeah.
no matter what you have, guys, your electronic 12-volt, your install, give us a call if you're in Melbourne, and we can help you out.
Yeah, awesome. All right, well, thank you very much, Chris. You've got a happy customer here, don't you?
Very happy.
Awesome. All right, thank you very much, guys. See you later.